Yo, what's going on everyone? Ignacio here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today we have a special guest, Rizu, and this is our second video of our packing series. In this video, we are packing for Peru. This is when we started using backpacks to travel, and the main reason was for a hike, but unfortunately we didn't get to do the hike, but we still packed for it. We planned for a 4-day trek to Machu Picchu, but in total we were in Peru for 10 days in May, which is considered their winter. But with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so these are my tops. I took 2 long sleeve dry wicking shirts, and the rest were just all dry wicking shirts since I was gonna hike. And then I brought 2 pullovers, a thin one and then a super thick one for the cold, and of course a rain jacket. These are all my bottoms, which were all basically shorts. And I did bring a pair of sweatpants that I mainly used for the trip to there, and these are my hiking pants that also transform into shorts. These were my tennis shoes that I used. Those are my shower sandals. These are my hiking boots, and these are all my undergarments. I brought 4 pair of hiking socks and 4 pair of normal socks. This is my quick dry towel, and now my toiletries. Of course, I brought deodorant, hairspray, body spray. In that I had shampoo, and in that one I had body wash. This is my toothbrush that I carry in a toothbrush holder, and these are my electronics. This is my GorillaPod that I use for my camera, and this is what I use to carry my camera in when I put it in my bag. And at the time I was using a Nikon D500. This is my headlamp. This is our universal wall adapter, my power bank, and of course everywhere you go you have to take a GoPro. And this is the bag that I use to carry cables and other miscellaneous things. This is my Brita water bottle that I use to carry water in it, but what's cool about it is that it has a built-in filter, and everywhere I go I always try to carry a chapstick. Your passport, of course, and this is what I use to carry my passport, and cash and important documents and a pen. And this is something that I really highly recommend anybody getting when traveling. So this is the bag I have now. It's not the same bag that I used when we packed to Peru. That bag was more of a hiking style backpack, which opened from the top. That bag had a better rain resistance rating than this one did, and I think it was a little bit bigger too. So a couple of recommendations that I have is to pack a little bit more warm. Something that I do recommend you carrying is a beanie or some gloves to protect your hands from the cold. Also, something very important is don't take your tennis shoes. It's kind of a waste of space. I would recommend you just using hiking boots the whole time.
Okay, so I'll start with my airport outfit because none of this gets packed. I bring a t-shirt and leggings, a sweater, and a scarf, and also my rain jacket. So I brought 4 dry fit tops, mainly for our hike, and my bottoms were all pretty much leggings. I brought 3 of those plus the one I had on the plane. And for shoes, I wore my hiking boots on the plane, and I just packed some yoga sling sandals. So I did bring hiking socks. I brought 3 plus the one I wore on the plane, and I brought 2 sport bras and a lot of underwear, my fast drying towel, and also I don't use expensive packing cubes. I just use this little mesh bag to put all my clothes in. So for the hike, I brought a water pack, my buff, some gloves, a hat, and a headlamp. Also some mosquito repellent wipes, 1 roll of toilet paper for the both of us. Next is toiletries. I brought my toothbrush and my deodorant, shampoo and conditioner. Also my hair cream and some sunblock and a bar of soap, a little toothpaste, some face wash that we shared, floss, and a body scrub. And also you can't shower during this hike at all, so I did bring some baby wipes. So this is the bag I put all the liquids in, and because we are doing carry-on only, I have to make sure that everything is 3 ounces and under. So next is my electronics. I just took a charger and a battery bank, a lock for my book bag, and just my phone. And some extra things were my purse that I used as my personal item on the plane. That's a first aid kit. Also these vitamin C packets that we share. My Brita water bottle that has a filter in it. Some medicine. I also brought a tiny lotion. My face cream. Some hair ties and hair clips. So I brought as little makeup as I could, but I don't really wear a lot of makeup to begin with. And in that little bag I brought my jewelry, so some earrings and a necklace. And also my chapstick, a nail clip, and a tweezer. I also put all our important papers in a clear sheet protector, and obviously don't forget your passport. And I did want to show that I did buy a sweater over there, so I just had to carry it on the plane. So here I am packing my book bag, and I try to put all the clothes at the bottom first, just kind of fold it or roll it, and I kind of keep the liquids in the middle or near the top because sometimes they make us take them out. So we were going to carry these book bags on our hike, and during the hike we were supposed to have porters, so like they were going to carry food for us and water for us, but we still like wanted to carry everything ourselves, and that's kind of why we decided to pack so light and not take so many things. But if you do bring a lot of things and you do plan to go on a hike and you don't want to take a lot of stuff on your back or in your book bag, then wherever you're staying they will let you like hold your stuff for a couple days. But that's it. That's pretty much all I brought.
Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this video helped you guys out a bit. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like, and also please follow me on Instagram at Ignacio Travel, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.